Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing major ports of India. Now starting with, all the ports in India are situated in 9 coastal states. Now these 9 coastal states are Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now on west coast, see from the diagram we can discuss, on west coast we have Kandla, Porbandar, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Marmagao Port, Mangalore and Kochi. And on the east coast we have Haldia Port, Paradip Port, Visakhapatnam Port, Ennore, Chennai and the last which is Tuticorin. See, some more information about the port is the Ennore is registered public company with the government owing a 68% stake. See, what does this mean? This information means that in that port 68% stakes is of government and remaining 32% is of private. Okay, some private company must be handling it. And the next, in Andaman and Nicobar Island there is a Port Blair and Mumbai is the largest natural port in India. Now moving forward, we have Jawaharlal Nehru Port won the award of best global port in India, the third time in row in Atal Shastra Marconomy Award 2020. Marine transport in India is controlled and administered by state and central government, while the shipping ministry manages the major ports. The intermediate and minor ports are administered by state government in which the port is located. Matlab, it is discussing the which government actually holds its operation on ports. Some more information about ports is that in India 95% of trading by volume is done through marine transports and it's standing at 70% by value. India has 13 major ports and 205 notified minors and intermediate ports. 6 new mega ports are to be developed under Sagarmala project. Now you must be knowing what does this Sagarmala project is. Sagarmala is project of central government that envisages unlocking the potential of waterway and coastline to minimize infrastructure investment. Means it's mainly for ports and logistics transportation. And one more is Bharatmala. Bharatmala is for developing infrastructure near highways. So two projects, Sagarmala and Bharatmala, are important. The majority of ports in India are located below given states. That is, in Maharashtra we have 53 ports, Gujarat we have 40 ports, Tamil Nadu we have 15 ports and in Karnataka we have 10 ports. So this was the few information about ports in India. Friends, I hope this information would be fruitful to you. Thanks.